After a year and a week.
We got the pumpkin pie, I got matcha, and then we got strawberry one.
Yeah. I mean, it would get their attention.
Hi, and welcome back to my channel. No, just kidding. So after weeks of praying, begging, and hoping that Bree's boss lets her off on a weekend, we're finally going out. Chuck.
What are you getting from HMart?
Almost the same things that I got last time. Okay. It's just like a restock. At least I don't need milk, so that takes off $10
That's true.
from the. It's more like bread, eggs. The shopping list is here. I just need to get it out.
Huevos. No, I think
It's this one.
And my dad goes, how many times did you have to open the door today? I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, I get notifications for that. I'm like, oh.
That's me parking the Jeep when I don't want to just back up into the spot. I'm like, oh, back up a little bit, turn back up a little bit.
I'm like, okay, so. Okay. Bree, stand guard, go.
I'm
They
dead.
just mop the floor. Yep. Great. I gotta be careful not to slip. Smells like cleaning.
It does. I noticed that. No? Vivian said, wait, this is not real.
We're not gonna get this one either.
What's wrong with that one? Yeah.
I'm just testing the price of that.
You gotta go out there anyways. We're in HMart.
Hi. Vivi's talking on the phone.
Yeah, about a phone.
Yeah.
Questions.
Phone on phone.
Phone on phone.
This is better.
Yeah.
The other ones are like super. I'm cart testing.
Xana's cart testing, you know, making sure our carts are A1. How stressful it is doing contour and bronzer when you're not doing foundation and making sure it's blended. Is that now hiring in the seafood department?
I guess. So if I have no damn.
Close. At least not that I know of.
Like 5 points, and I think there's one near Ponds in that area.
The only one I can think of is the one like near my house. Like that's the only one I know.
It's gonna take a while because like I don't know where one is. We're at HMart, so it's time to grocery shop, especially for Viviana. Flip. I already got apples now. I'm like, what's gonna be on my mind? That means I can't get a full window.
True. And it'll be purple, probably. Okay. I know. I'm probably get the smaller bags of these. Cause like having the big bags I like, but I don't ever want to finish it.
It was a really bad idea not eating beforehand.
Yeah.
Because when I was getting up to talk to him, I was so anxious. I was like
yeah.
really nauseous. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna say the right thing.
And it's not great when your nerves are high and you're hungry.
So like I'm very nauseous right now.
I'm dead. But when that time comes, you're gonna be like, I should have got it. I think I'm gonna get this. It's so tiny, but like I feel like it could do something.
Maybe you want this? Okay. The exact same one I already have.
Started. This is
Bree's
super
ramen
spicy.
Which ramen will Bree get?
I'm getting a variety. So I have a shelf of like grain. We're doing this. I'm contemplating this one, but I know this brand has one that's apparently hotter. So I want this brand. So I'm getting this. But if I don't see, I'm gonna just get 2 of these. Well, I think I'm gonna get 2 of these anyways, but I want a hot one as well. Yes. It's not even that spicy compared to the other ones. It's just, I prefer that flavor.
Maybe not for you.
True.
That would be literally no, that was the spiciest thing I've ever had in my life.
I mean, you survived. Solo's playing by Jenny. Anyways.
I couldn't even swallow it anymore. Physically, I couldn't. Usually, I can like tolerate it.
Yeah.
But oh my gosh, that was really.
Well, if you ever want to donate
Is it the same? But is it?
this
so
one,
spicy.
I can find you one that's not.
One that's not spicy.
Let's see.
That's not super expensive.
Ooh, 2 times spice. Mine, clearly.
Oh,
Let's see.
This just has spicy on it.
Has spicy.
I'm gonna look.
But you gotta put all of them together. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm just stocking them on top of each other. Huh? I think that side might have less spicy. You're looking for the non-spicy one?
This is the only one.
That brand's good. That brand is really good. I would say there's one that says sesame. The sesame one, if it's not spicy, is good.
What you got?
Spicy. This is spicy.
Are you getting any more?
I don't think so.
This is sesame.
Does it say non-spice?
Breeze ramen is something.
It kind of looks good though. I'm gonna try it.
I think this one's non-spice as well. This one's mild. I know the brand's good.
Yeah.
I've had the spicy one.
Spicy.
Oh.
It looks good. Maybe one day.
The kimchi one's one of my favorites. I'm dead.
Just like to let you know, I like one time, but I literally almost
Oh. She hasn't eaten. She's not having a great time.
It's not free, because if I die, then you get that on your guilty conscience.
I'm dead.
But if you throw up, you know that I'm going to throw up 30 times. So
That's very true.
always have a snack packed. Now you know.
I know, I literally.
She got the water this.
Like bright looking hot.
Oh, it doesn't have anything.
I know the buns are good. I'm gonna do based on brands I know are good or I've heard of.
These are good. The jumbo pork and vegetable.
I've had that brand, just not pork. They have a chicken one. I think on this side, I'll tell you. Let me see. I think I want tteokbokki. I just don't know which one. Yes. That one I like the most. Well, one of the most. I've had a few other brands. Mozzarella cheese one. Say less. Yeah.
How much is this?
Let me see. That one's $7.99 and you get, and with a serving, 44.
44?
Yeah.
Oh,
Literally my favorite.
44? That's a good price. Okay. I thought it was like less than that.
Oh no. I was telling her which ramen. This one has 44 in it. This is my favorite to get. Right here. $7.99, you get 44 of them. And they're pretty large. They're not like tiny.
And it doesn't, does it have an overwhelming taste of vegetable?
No, I think it's more chick. I feel like a healthy balance, honestly.
Because you know there's some that's like you taste all the
Yeah.
vegetables and you're like, why am I eating?
No, I feel like it's more healthy balance.
With the fish cake.
Well, they might-
Really?
I think I saw them give it. This one has a hot dog in it.
You have kimchi
I can't put a
dumplings.
complete mozzarella one, but you like hot dogs.
Oh, there's mozzarella only.
Where?
Right here. But they're $9.49.
Oh,
But
that's
for
not the-
$5.
That's just a potato one. You want the potato?
Oh, you want potato.
Let me see.
Potato. Fuck, that's
This
fish
is
cake.
potato and mozzarella corn. Wait, what do we? Oh, but they're really expensive.
I think they're all gonna be tiny. That's the thing.
I know they're probably.
Yeah, because this one's just it, but it's $8.99 for
All
four.
of these, seriously?
So you're paying about $2, like two. Let's
How
say
did you
15.
find these without fish cake?
I need them.
They have the mozzarella one with fish cake too.
Yeah. I'm contemplating getting the mini cheese.
What did I find that?
You got potato?
I got this one.
I think I kind of want the small ones. I don't know. Like, do I want a whole mini?
They don't normally come with fish
I'm
cake.
gonna
Why are
hear
they
it.
selling them with fish cake?
There's.
That's the guy that looks like me.
Oh yeah. Okay, you get 8 of these. Are just small mini ones, but it's not bad.
For $7.
Yeah. So it's like less than $1 for each.
Yeah, what we usually buy them.
Viviana got her to stuff.
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna call my parents.
It was. I'm gonna call my parents.
Oh my gosh!
I know there's not a lot of Hispanic people here. It's really exciting. But I'm sure, oh my gosh, there's been here the
I'm dead.
With this whole pack for $7,
How many do you get in there?
dang, I don't even know.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna last me a long time.
You get 28. Wait, no. About serving 2 sizes. You get 14.
It's not bad,
I think.
especially since I usually eat 1 or 2.
Okay, 14 servings. Serving size is 2 pieces. Yeah.
About 14 servings. So that's 28, right?
Yeah.
Because it says 14 servings.
And
so
about-
serving size is 2.
Yeah, so you should get about 20. That's good.
Oh my gosh, wait a second. I have to check to make sure. Oh, 2024, I'm getting this.
Oh, yeah.
There's no,
That should last you.
that's gonna last me a long time because my family goes through a whole box.
Anyone want taquitos?
I'm taking a picture and sending to my parents.
I'm dead.
Look. Oh wait, I have to take out the ramen from the picture before my dad can say something about
I'm dead. You said, let me just angle
it.
this.
He thinks it's so unhealthy.
I think that's most parents, honestly.
No, because I eat unhealthy anyways. So
I'm
why
dead.
does
You
he
said,
have
what's
to
the
let go?
difference? You said nothing's changed, just a different form of unhealthy.
I'm gonna text the group chat.
Had what? Oh, yeah. I'm dead. Creamy Reese's peanut butter. Okay. But I'm more of the cola champagne pineapple girl.
Corned beef. Corned beef. Why is it so expensive? I can make corned beef.
Yeah. We're thinking. I don't know though. Ginger here. I have pineapple. I have cola champagne. I'm not a fan of cream.
What are you in between?
Ginger or another pineapple. Or orange, because I don't have orange often.
Orange.
Orange? Alright.
You already know what I'm gonna say.
Orange it is. If she ever wants to make like a more Korean dish, she can get some spam. Yes.
So I have a really weird memory where I remember like things that I don't really need to remember, but I can literally see pictures of them. Like when I was in my choir class, I used to be able to like physically see the sheet music, and that's how I remember everything.
Ginger.
The spices.
Yeah, I might have to get more jerk. I'm gonna get it now.
I'm so happy they don't have bagels.
I'm gonna try this.
Let me know how that is. I really want to try one.
We're here. I got mozzarella cheese
Oh, that's cute.
Cause like you end up putting cheese, but this one's filled with cheese, so I'm excited. And then you know the cost. The milk teas I'm putting in my room. Yes, question mark? I'll look at it and okay. I forgot to put cheese. hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.